Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can withdraw money from Pocket Option to your Binance. So you will be going to see how you can transfer crypto. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to log into your Binance app on your mobile phone. And at the home side, you can see this. This is the screen that you're going to see, and from there you will tap on deposit. Now once you tap on deposit, what you're going to do is you're going to select the cryptocurrency that you would like to deposit from the menu. You can also tap on the portfolio icon and tap deposit. You can do any of these two. But what you're going to do next is you're going to select the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit from Pocket Option. So you need to choose the same cryptocurrency at Binance and Pocket Option. So you can choose whichever you want to withdraw from Pocket Options, such as Ethereum, BNB, that's your choice. As you can see right here, Binance produces a memo themselves that you need to choose the same cryptocurrency at both your Pocket Option and Binance to make sure that your transaction goes correctly. So just tap on got it to proceed. And then what you need to do is copy your deposit address. You will copy this and you will paste this into your Pocket Option. When you go on your Pocket Option home screen and you press on withdraw and you choose the cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw, it will give you an option to add the withdraw address. And what you're going to do is you're just going to copy this from Binance and you're going to paste this in Pocket Option. And then simply what you're going to do is you're going to complete the process from Pocket Option by selecting how much amount you want to send, and then you'll send the amount from Pocket Option and it will be withdrawn from Pocket Option to Binance. You can also verify your deposit status into Binance by opening the Binance app, and then you will tap on the portfolio icon. And once you do that, you will scroll down to find this cryptocurrency you are depositing. And after tapping the crypto, you will see a history of transactions like this. And you can tap on any of the deposits that you would like to verify. When you tap on that, you will see this screen right here. You can also copy the transaction ID and you can search it in the corresponding blockchain explorer. This will basically verify the fact that you've sent crypto from Pocket Option to Binance. And this is how you withdraw from Pocket Option to Binance. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.